Here are the 7 ways you can earn money as a teenager with zero experience. So, why is it important for you as a teenager to earn your own money? Well, it's important for you to earn your own money because you're going to become your own boss if you own your own money, and you can literally buy what you want to buy without you worrying about, I'm not going to get this thing right. So, plus, there's this responsibility that comes with you earning your own money. I mean, you're going to become so independent of yourself, which makes a good sense. Plus, not only earning your own money makes you independent of yourself, but you also become responsible on how you spend your money. So you don't spend your money on anyhow gimmicky stuff. Yeah, so it's kind of like making you responsible and also independent of yourself all at the same time. So let's dive into the ways you can actually start earning money today. So the number one way you can actually start earning money as a teenager is through reselling of items. Items like shoes. No, don't buy shoes, because if you bought a shoe and you do not find the exact size of someone who is willing to buy that shoe, you're gonna end up with a shoe. And yeah, you can literally bought an items from eBay or any online e-commerce platforms and then resell it in a higher price and also add your own profit to it. Yeah, instead of keeping your money and saving it hoping that you're going to gather money to buy something good, why not use the same money to buy something and then resell it? So you can buy stuff like clothes, gaming stuff, fashion items, and then resell it in a higher price. You use the same money to multiply it and then resell stuff so that you can get profit out of it. Because yeah, let's be honest, saving money will not get you rich or get you the enough money you want to buy something with. So yeah, it's better for you to buy something and resell it and resell it in a higher price so that you can get the profit out of it. So you can buy and resell items like gaming stuff, thrift wears, denim jackets, books, and any other thing that you know that you will not have any stress selling it even within your community. Those are the idea things that you can buy and resell, right? So they can sell it quickly. Though if you're under 18, you might need custodial guidance before buying and reselling, okay? And yeah, even if you're 18, still look for adult guidance before you start buying and selling of things online. And also make sure to buy from legit websites, not just from some random dude on the internet, okay? So that you not get in trouble. So you can resell these items in your community, or you can use some online website like Poshmark, Depop. Any of these are just align with what you are selling. Poshmark is mostly for clothing, yeah. So any one of these can browse and learn more about it. All you have to do is just resell these items, right? So the number two things that you can do as a teenager to earn money is tutoring. Tutoring is kind of like a budget side hustle on its own, because as long as you're good at a specific subject, then you can actually teach someone. And if you're good in teaching, then I think you're in business already. Because yeah, you just need to teach someone, especially maybe someone not older than you, or it doesn't matter. As long as you can teach them, that's all that matters. So you can tutor a junior high school student or a senior high school student, anyone you feel comfortable to do. I think that's what you should go for, right? So you don't want to start teaching someone that you don't feel comfortable and you start stammering. No, no, no. Okay. So just do what you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with teaching someone older than you can go for it. If you're comfortable with teaching someone younger than you, then yeah, you should probably go for it. At the end of the day, all you just want to do is just do something that you can earn money for. And so the third business is babysitting. So the third business is for my girlies who love to babysit, or anyone who wants to babysit, and you're cool with kids around you, and yeah, you love kids and they don't bother you, because yeah, some people just don't like kids, even the crying of kids. Anyways, if you're good with this and you feel like you can take care of somebody's kid for them for a minimum amount of time, then yeah, you're in business already, because yeah, people are willing to pay you good amount of money to go and have some free time off of their kids. So if you can actually babysit their kids, also maybe tutor them or offer some good services, people will be willing to pay you good amount of money per hour to do this. For anyone who love kids around, and you don't have any issue with kids, and you love and love to spend time with kids, and just hang around with them, then you can actually do it for money, because you can actually babysit other people's kids for them. Because yeah, a lot of parents want to have some free time off of their kids, maybe go on a date, but yeah, their kids are just there always and always. So yeah, if you can do this for them and then take care of their kids for a minimum amount of time, maybe a day, then they'll be willing to pay you per hour or per week, depending on if you're doing this as a full-time job, or as a side hustle, or as just part-time. Yeah, depending on the type of service you're offering, then people will be willing to pay you good amount of money for it without you even selling anything. I think it's one of the best thing you can actually do. So that takes us to number four side hustle that you can start as a teenager with zero experience. So the fourth side hustle you can start as a teenager with zero experience is cleaning services. There are a lot of people who has a dirty backyard, dirty swimming pool, their garden looks scattered and not put together. If you and a couple of your friends can actually help people to clean this place for them, they will actually pay you good amount of money because yeah, they can do it themselves. So yeah, they're going to pay you good amount of money to do it for them. Especially if you have a crew of friends that you love to hang around with. I mean, why not just hang around for no reason and go around and just wasting your good amount of time? Instead of doing that, why not use that time to go and offer a cleaning services to people who have a dirty backyard or a mess up garden or a dirty stuff like that. Not just really dirty, messy stuff, but anything like that you can help with. You can actually go and offer a service, and they will be willing to pay you because yeah, if they can clean it, then they are obviously willing to pay someone to do it for them. I mean, a couple of days I saw a video of a teenager and a couple of his two friends who clean people's garage and earn good amount of money. I mean, they earn almost like $200 doing this. So the fifth one is clipping, especially if you're an introvert and you don't love to go around. This is actually the best one for you because all you have to do is just find a popular streamer's couple of videos and then clip them, add some edits because yeah, if you just take it exactly the way you find it in their own TikTok account or YouTube account and then you come and paste it in your own YouTube account, you're gonna get your YouTube intro. Yeah, your YouTube video might be banned for copyright videos, so you don't want to do that. I mean, if you love to watch this couple of streams and if you love to watch a couple of your favorite celebrities' performance on their concerts, then you can actually clip them, especially the intriguing part where they do the most amazing stuff. If you clip it, then you're going to get a lot of views, and doing this will actually earn you good amount of money because yeah, YouTube Short is blowing up right now like crazy. So yeah, you're going to get good amount of money from it, but you need to learn the basic of edits. I think yeah, that's all you need to know about this. Plus, it's totally free for you to start. You don't need to pay for anything. All you have to do is just use your couple of cheap editing tools like CapCut. Because CapCut has a free version you can actually try and edit your video with it. And there are other couples of free editing apps you can actually use to do this. Though this might take a couple of months to grow, but I mean there are millions fans of these streamers and celebrities. So yeah, you don't have to worry about getting subscribers quickly because yeah, you're going to get subscribers quickly because you are making videos behind someone who already has a massive followers plus fans. So you don't need to start worrying about your YouTube channel not going to get subscribers on time. It will get subscribers on time as long as you're making a short video of a fabulous person who already has fans behind him. So yeah, they're going to subscribe to your channel because they're already his fans. So the number six business is working for a local restaurant, coffee shops, or even a grocery store. So yeah, you can work either part time or full time, but the most important thing is that you're going to get paid per hour or every single day. Plus, not only working there makes you a versatile person, it also helps you to learn more about marketing skills and also get over your social anxiety stuff because yeah, you're going to meet a lot of new people every single day and you're going to interact with new people, new faces every single day. So yeah, you're going to also build that skill of, learning to interact with new people that you've never seen before, which is a good skill actually. And apart from that, you're going to also learn the marketing skills, which is very, very important, even as the future skills. So the last business is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing kind of requires some time to grow in marketing the product before you get the sales, and then you're not getting before you get the sales, and then get your commission out of the sales. Affiliate marketing is kind of a long-term business that requires a lot of effort, and it's not like the other businesses that you can do and start earning per week or per day. It requires you to do a lot of marketing before you can actually get the product sold and then get your commission out of it. So you need to do a lot of marketing and you need to learn the marketing basics. Plus, it's going to take a lot of months before you start seeing the income coming through. But it's a good skills you can actually learn because if you can actually sell somebody's product and get a commission out of it, that means you can actually sell your own product too. And you can actually do the same thing to sell your own product. So that means you're going to learn a lot of marketing skills, which is very, very important. So if you watch to the end, tell me the business that you're starting this week. And if you find this video useful, hit the subscribe button and like this video.